so for today, pupunta kaming Negros Oriental, specifically doon sa Dumaguete City. And if you guys are interested kung saan pwede gumala or kumain doon, so just keep on watching. So we're on our way to the port of Liloan, Santander, which is a jump-off point to Dumaguete City. 4 to 5 hours travel time, and we had our stopovers. So yeah, we'll see you at the port.
A few moments later.
Upon arrival, you need to pay the necessary fees going to Sibulan port. The travel time would take around 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, see you! We're here! Sa Sulfur. So this is a natural toxic gas. Mind you that it really smells bad, so just prepare your masks. Here in Pulangbato Falls. Liloan sa taong ka, oy! Hindi mo rin kang napabayaan. Wow! Ano ka nag-down, oy? Happy?
Tomorrow.
Day 2 here in Negros Oriental, and right now we are in Malatapay Market, the jump-off point to Apo Island. These are the fees you're going to pay, so just take note of that. So we're here in Apo Island. All of the details about this trip will be in the description box.
Bye-bye! See you next time!
Next time! To Casarora, here we go! Nana, meron sa Casaroro, guys. Start yung entrance going here. Maglakaw sam, guys. Kaya morag delikado kayo mag-vlog-vlog, no? Kumusta ang ilong?
Okay lang.
Okay pa?
Okay lang. Basic.
Kapit namin mahuman sa stairs. Tapos, kuan na. River na dahil. So, sa una, may mga ano pa to. Parang concrete na daanan papuntang falls. Hindi dito sa mga bato-bato. Nasira kasi at sa bagyo. Bagyong Sendong. As for the locals. Abot na rin! Dali na banday ay! Ang pauli mo yung lisod. Not lisod, but kapoy.
Ron. Okay. Muna sila. Nangaligo. Tugnaw kaayo. Oh, lingaw kay sila no. As in, super kayo kalingaw.